I think what will matter first is which one goes to trial and whether there are convictions. If there's a conviction in one of the first trials, regardless of which one it is, I think it's a game changer from a lot of the attacks on these prosecutions as being partisan, because at that point they're confirmed and ratified by a jury of his peers in whichever jurisdiction that happens. So, there's a lot of, hand-wringing at the front end of this, but at the end of the day, the bottom line is just what does the jury do?
Could we see simultaneous trials going on? We know Jack Smith is a little bit more behind the wheel when it comes to the investigation, right? But if we hear charging decisions from Fani Willis in the coming weeks, could there be two trials going on at the same time? Could that actually happen inside of an election year with someone who's running for president of the United States?
Yeah, interesting question. Typically, state courts defer to the feds. But here, as you pointed out, you've got two state courts that are doing an investigation at the same time. I would assume that the prosecutors would have a conversation and try and coordinate among themselves, but you never know. And then the other option is, I think this is unlikely because the Trump team has tended to want to stall rather than move quickly. But they could demand their speedy trial rights be enforced and try and move the cases forward as fast as possible. So we'll have to see what cards they play on that front.